Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change video call background in Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. So first of all, you log in into your Microsoft Teams account, and after that you press on your calendar. And from here you can either start a new meeting, schedule a new meeting, or you can either just start a meeting right now, or you can join a meeting with a meeting ID. And after joining the meeting, what you have to do is press on the camera right here. My camera is blocked right now, so you guys can't see me at the moment. And after that, you press on background filter. And in here, it's going to give you some backgrounds that you guys can use if you want. So you basically just have to press on it just like that. And it's going to load right here. And basically, your face is going to be like around this area, just green screened. And you can simply change the background as you want. And also you have the option that you can upload your own background if you want. So if you have like a wallpaper that you wanted to make as your background, you can simply press on add new. And then you can pick and choose one from your files. And after that, you press on join now. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.